Hello and welcome to ChatControl plugin review tutorial. This is the best Minecraft plugin for formatting and filtering your chat. And as you can see, we are going to save your time. I cracked right into the game, and you can see right here we have a beautiful message of the day. The plugin will greet you with this message. You can customize everything to your likings. It contains something called programmable rules, and I'm going to show you guys how that works in a minute. It has a full Discord and bungee cord support and an insane compatibility. It can even support Minecraft 1.2.5, which is over 11 years old. Hello! There we go, swearing is prohibited on this server. Now, to show you how this plugin works, what I can do, I can just start by typing in hello there. And as you can see, it formats the message nicely. It even supports clickable and hoverable components. It can even delete messages if you have protocol lib plugin installed, such as this one. And if I start spamming, right, as you can see on my other account right here, the X is not visible because this account doesn't have admin permission, and I can then just start deleting these messages. As you can see, it works really smoothly. Now, if this other account tries to type something, there is an antibot protection, so you have to actually move when you want to type something. And then if you want to swear or type in ads, it'll actually block you, and then the admin account is going to receive admin advertisement detected. So it contains that. You can even send this alert to your Discord server or your database, and you can even use chc log command to browse the database, what was typed and when by which player, and even in which channel. ChatControl contains a channel system. So right now I'm joined in 4 channels. One is for writing, and these 3 are for reading, and I can just click, there we go, and now I'm switched into the admin channel. And then this player, the other player, is joining the 4 channels as well, right? But as you can see, I cannot click anywhere because I don't have permissions to change these channels on the default account. It even contains global, which supports bungee cord. By the way, you can configure any channel to support bungee cord or Discord, and it even contains ranged mode, which will only broadcast the message with players around you or in the entire world, but not other worlds or other servers, if you will. So that is it for the chat formatting feature. Now, also, I almost forget to say, it contains really cool variables such as the item variable, and it even supports hex colors or legacy colors, but I think a lot of you guys will be interested in just the hex colors. And of course, it supports gradients too. I don't know if I have time to show you how that works. Let me just go into the chat. Let me just open up the folder, and let me show you how you can configure this. So if you install ChatControl, you will be greeted with this gigantic folder. We can just ignore the errors. Hopefully you're not going to get any. It has books because ChatControl can also help you write books and read books. You can even have the MOTD configured in a way which you can click somewhere and it's going to open up a book, which is really handy, just like the big networks do. It contains formattings, which will take care of the look of the chat. So for example, that one, the chat.yaml, is the main format for the entire chat, and it has components. So this is the delete chat component. This is the X, right? If you hover over it, this is what it will say. This is the permission to see it, to see the X. This is the VIP prefix. This is the read prefix. If you are joined in a channel in only read mode, you can even display the Discord prefix if the message is coming from your Discord network. There's even spy prefix if you are spying on, enabling all spying. Yeah, so you can even spy. If I go, let me just de-op myself. There we go. Now it works. It wasn't working because I was having the operator status, which automatically bypasses spying, which is, by the way, you can toggle this on and on via a permission. So now if any other player types in a channel, which you are not seeing, but you're spying, you can actually see their message right here, and you can even delete their messages secretly like that. And this is really spooky if you want to troll your players. So that's how it works. So this is how the formatting works. Let me just show you the gradients. I can enable the option right here on the player nick. There we go. And now I can just reload the plugin, join the standard channel, and now we have a beautiful gradient. By the way, of course, ChatControl has a gigantic Wikipedia because I know that I'm going really fast with all these features, so you can check the wiki down below. That's the formatting part. Now let's crack into the rules part. So rules basically are filters which you can program the entire game server, and I've seen people delete 20+ plugins just using rules. Let me just show you what they can do. So we have a chat rule, and I can just type in match Apple, then alert, do not say Apple, right? And then, for example, we can just replace the apple with a colored version of the apple. And now, if I say, hey, this is an apple, it'll say, do not say apple, and it's going to replace the apple with a color. Actually, everything after is going to be replaced with a color. If you don't want that, we have a special variable, this one, which is a bit weird, but you'll find the example there. So you can just type the FLPC, and then whatever is between, you can just delete, and this is going to be the apple. And then at the end, you can just do FLPC -1. There we go. And then, there we go. And now it only replaces the L. Okay. All right, well, I made a typo in my replacement. Now it's good. Anyways, guys, this is how it works. The filters can be used for anti-spam, for vanishing players, for even creating your own custom commands, forwarding messages, blocking ads, blocking swearing words, blocking anything, even replacing variables, custom variables, trolling people or preventing people saying bad things about your server, obviously, right? So there's infinite level of opportunities. People even use it to create custom emojis, right? And that's about it. That's with the rules. I do recommend you see the Wikipedia below. Now, ChatControl has so much more that does not fit into this video, such as I mentioned, custom variables, except that these are in JavaScript, so you can actually program these into the plugin. It also supports placeholder API. There's even infinite ways to show display the join message, leave message, and death messages. As I mentioned, there is full bungee cord support, so you can synchronize your entire network. There's localization. You can translate every message. Look at the amount of messages in the plugin which you can translate. This is pretty insane. And the best of all, it can even show images in the game. If I type in announce and then image, how that one will work, creeper head, and then, yeah, there we go. Hey. There we go. So it can even load images from a file, translate them into Minecraft colors, and then render them in the game, which is really cool because you can hook it up with scripts, with custom variables, even command blocks, even your own custom developer API, and you can display them anywhere. So ChatControl is a really amazing plugin, and this video will get 2 hours long if I cover every single feature. I do recommend scrolling down on the site, looking up all these features. If you don't like it, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you have any problems with it, you can just test it out and have it risk-free. And I can't wait to see you guys on the inside, and enjoy. Have a great day.